Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off accidental touch protection function in Samsung Galaxy A55. This option is turned on by default, but if we want to turn it off, we need to go to Settings, then we are looking for Display Options. When we scroll down a little bit, we have our accidental touch protection. And as you can see, as I said, it's turned on by default. So what does this function do exactly? We have short explanation here. Protect your phone from accidental touches when it's in a dark place, such as a pocket, a bag, etc. So we can uncheck this box, and now our touch protection is turned off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.